So on a pan on medium flame, I'm adding in oil. To that I'm adding some cumin seeds, peppercorns, some dry red chilies, some peanuts, coriander seeds, chana dal, and I'm going to saute these for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add in chopped garlic and some curry leaves, and I'm going to quickly saute this for about 2 minutes again. Now I turn off the flame and I'm going to cool this completely and grind this to a fine powder. Now in a cooker on medium flame, I'm going to add in some oil and sliced onions. Saute it for a minute. To that I'm going to add in frozen peas, salt to help the onions cook faster, and I'm going to cook this till the onions are light brown. So once the onions have turned light brown, I'm going to add in the chopped potatoes, and I'm going to saute this on medium flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, you have to stir this on interval. Cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stir in intervals. So after 15 minutes, you can see that the potatoes have become a bit soft. Give this a quick mix. Now add in asafoetida, some turmeric powder, all of the grinded powder, some garam masala, some cumin powder, and some coriander powder. Now mix all this well together. Add in washed rice, water, mix again. Squeeze in half a lime. Adjust the taste by adding salt at the end. Now cover it with the lid. Put the weight and pressure cook for about 3 medium whistles. Then turn off the flame and rest for 15 minutes. Your potato rice is ready to be served. This is a very mellow rice. Okay, just like ghee rice, which you can accompany with spicy curries like chicken curry or any veg curry as well. So enjoy this. Go try it and comment in the section below and let me know how you liked it. This rice, if had by its own, is a little mellow, but I would suggest you to have with curries. It's just like ghee rice accompaniment. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give my video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.